Unleash your inner powerhouse. Imagine standing at the peak of your potential, feeling the wind of possibilities around you. This is your moment to shine, to embrace the strength that lies within. We all have this incredible power within us. It's a force that drives us forward, a spark that ignites our passions and fuels our ambitions. This power is not just a fleeting feeling. It's a deep-seated belief in our own capabilities. It's the power to shape our reality, to achieve our wildest dreams, and to become the best versions of ourselves. When we set our goals and visualize our success, we are tapping into this inner powerhouse. Every step we take towards our dreams is a testament to our strength and determination. But sometimes, we let self-doubt and negative thoughts hold us back. These moments of uncertainty can cloud our vision and make us question our worth. It's in these times that we need to remind ourselves of our true potential. That's where affirmations come in. Affirmations are powerful tools that can help us reframe our mindset and focus on the positive. They are like a guiding light, helping us navigate through the darkness of doubt and fear. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome those negative thoughts. By repeating these statements, you can start to believe in them and, in turn, believe in yourself. They serve as daily reminders of your worth and potential. They're like little seeds of confidence that you plant in your mind. Just as a gardener tends to their plants, you must nurture these affirmations with care and consistency. Over time, these seeds will grow and your confidence will flourish. With consistent watering and nurturing, these seeds can blossom into unshakable self-belief. Imagine watching a tiny seed grow into a strong, beautiful plant. This is the power of affirmations. They help you cultivate a mindset of resilience and positivity. Ready to unleash your inner powerhouse? Take a deep breath and feel the strength within you. Embrace the journey of self-discovery and empowerment. You have the power to transform your life, one affirmation at a time. Let's dive into the world of affirmations and discover how they can transform your life. Together, we will explore the techniques and practices that can help you harness this incredible power. Get ready to embark on a journey of growth, positivity, and self-belief. Words that ignite confidence. These are not just words. They are powerful tools that can transform your mindset and elevate your life. Think of affirmations as your personal pep talk. They are like a coach in your corner, always ready to lift you up when you need it the most. They're positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, to boost your self-confidence. These affirmations can be simple yet profoundly impactful. The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with you. They should feel authentic and meaningful, reflecting your true desires and aspirations. Need a confidence boost? Try these on for size. Start with simple affirmations and gradually build up to more specific ones as you become comfortable. I am worthy of love and respect. This affirmation reminds you of your inherent value and helps you cultivate self-love. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. This statement reinforces your belief in your abilities and encourages you to pursue your goals with determination. I am strong, resilient, and unstoppable. This powerful affirmation helps you recognize your inner strength and resilience, motivating you to overcome any challenges. Remember, the words you speak to yourself matter. They shape your thoughts, influence your emotions, and ultimately determine your actions. Choose to speak words of empowerment and watch your confidence soar. Embrace the power of positive affirmations and let them guide you towards a more confident and fulfilling life. Making affirmations. Your secret weapon. The beauty of affirmations is that they're incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can say them while you're getting ready in the morning, commuting to work, or even while you're washing dishes. Want to make affirmations a habit? Try writing them down in a journal every day. Or create a vision board filled with images and affirmations that inspire you. The key is to find what works best for you and to be consistent. Remember, small steps taken consistently lead to big results over time. Visualization, painting your success story. Imagine a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your dreams and aspirations. This is your story, your journey, and you hold the brush. Want to supercharge your affirmations? Add visualization to the mix. Visualization is not just about seeing, it's about feeling, experiencing, and believing. When you visualize, you create a mental image of your desired outcome, making it more tangible and achievable. Visualization is a powerful technique where you create a mental picture of yourself already achieving your goals. Picture yourself standing on the podium, receiving that award, or signing that important contract. The clearer the image, the stronger the impact. Close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking confidently in public, acing that job interview, or delivering a flawless presentation. Feel the confidence, hear the applause, and see the smiles of approval, or achieving that fitness goal. What do you see? What do you hear? How do you feel? Imagine the sweat on your brow, the sound of your heartbeat, and the sense of accomplishment as you cross the finish line. The more vivid and detailed your visualizations, the more real they will feel to your subconscious mind. Your mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is vividly imagined. The more real they feel to your subconscious mind, the more they will influence your thoughts, emotions, and actions. This is the power of visualization. And the more real they feel, the more likely you are to take action and make them a reality. Visualization bridges the gap between dreams and reality, turning your aspirations into achievable goals. So take a moment each day to visualize your success. Paint your success story with vivid colors, bold strokes, and unwavering belief. The canvas is yours, and the masterpiece is waiting to be created. Here's a secret. Affirmations are even more potent when you infuse them with feeling. It's not enough to just say the words. You need to feel them in your core. When you repeat an affirmation, try to connect with the emotion behind it. If you're affirming, "I am worthy of love and respect," really feel that worthiness within you. The more you can embody the feeling of your affirmations, the more quickly they will manifest in your life. So, don't just say it, feel it. Consistency, the key to unlocking your potential. The truth is, affirmations aren't a magic bullet. They won't transform your life overnight. But with consistent effort, they can gradually shift your mindset and boost your self-belief. Think of it like building a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The same goes for your self-confidence. The more you practice positive self-talk and affirmations, the more natural it will become. And as your confidence grows, so too will your ability to achieve your goals. Embrace the journey of self-discovery. Remember, building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. There will be days when you feel unstoppable, and days when you doubt yourself. And that's okay. The important thing is to be kind to yourself, to celebrate your progress, and to never give up on your dreams. Embrace the journey, my friend. It's in the challenges and triumphs that you'll discover your true strength and resilience. Overcoming obstacles with grace. There will be times when you face setbacks or encounter people who doubt your abilities. Don't let these obstacles derail you. Instead, use them as opportunities to strengthen your resolve. Remember, every challenge you overcome makes you stronger and more resilient. So, hold your head high, keep your affirmations close to your heart, and keep moving forward. You've got this. Your time to shine is now. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. Don't let self-doubt hold you back any longer. Start using affirmations today and watch as your confidence soars to new heights. Believe in yourself, embrace your power, and go after your dreams with everything you've got. Your time to shine is now.